everyone, I'm Rainier Dibrisco from SBIT1C, and today we're topic about looping construct in Java. So let's create a quick overview about looping construct in Java, and let's start. So what is looping construct in Java? So what is loop? Loops allows us to repeat certain operations multiple times without needing to write the same code again and again. This is especially useful when dealing with tasks like processing data, iterating through collections, or performing repetitive actions. In Java, we have several types of looping constructs, including for loops, while loops, and do-while loops. We'll go over each type, explaining how they work, when to use them, and some common scenarios for applying them in real-world programs later. So in the meantime, we're discussing about the types of loops. So let's start with the for loop. For loop. The for loop is often used when the number of iterations is known ahead of time. It's great for situations where you need to execute a block of code a specific number of times. Next is the while loop. The while loop is used when you want to repeat a block of code an indefinite number of times, as long as specified condition remains true. This loop checks the condition before executing the code. And lastly, the do-while loop. The do-while loop is similar to the while loop, but with one key difference: it guarantees that the loop will run at least once, because the condition is checked after the code block is executed. And that is the overview of looping construct in Java. So let's get started in the tutorial and how I'm gonna teach you how to write code. Goodbye. Hi everybody. Before we discuss the looping construct in Java, the definition of it and types of loops. So now I'm gonna teach you how to create a program using the loops. So first is the for loop. So to create a for loop statement, we need to write the for, then parentheses and curly braces. So in creating a loop statement, we need to set a condition. Example, integer is equals to I is equal to 0. Then I is less than 10. Then semicolon. Then we can decrement or increment our index. Then I'm gonna increment it. Then lastly, we need to print our statement. So just term that out, that print, and the I and semicolon. Then the dot. That's it, and then let's add some curly braces for them. Then that's it. So as you can see, it works. That's how you create a for loop. So hi everyone. In this video, I'm gonna create a while loop statement. So in this while loop, I'm gonna use a scanner. So let's type import java.detail.scanner. Then type scanner new scanner. string name. Then let's create the while statement. And last. Then if check it's okay, then let's run. So if you don't enter your name, it will repeat because the condition is true. But if you enter a name, sample rain, then hello rain, and that's it. So that's for the while loop. So we are in the last part of tutorial. So before we create a while loop, and now we're gonna do the do while loop. So to create a do while loop, we just need to put the do in the while loop. So here we have the while loop statements. So to do the do while loop, we just simply put this code in the end of the code. So here paste, so and add the do, then let's try to run it. Wait, there's something. Oh, I forget about. So that's in the difference between do and do while. The do while and while. The while loop is executing the code if the statement is true. It repeated the code if the statement is true, and in the do while, the the code is repeated only once. So type pro and let's go, let's finish. So that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial and have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.